Werma's EvoSignal is a signal beacon solution designed for rapid commissioning and total application coverage. EvoSignal's best-in-class flexibility is achieved with a unique, modular design that can meet the needs of practically any application and in any environment. Simply choose your size, choose your signal, and choose your installation method. This easy three-step process streamlines the selection process, so end users spend less time finding the right solution and more time using it. Choose from optical, optical audible, and audible versions in the mini and MIDI sizes. Maxi signals are optical only. Each range also includes a number of optical color options to choose from, depending on your application's needs. Light effects like twin light and twin flash combine two effects in one device, offering permanent light and blinking light on twin light models, and a flashing light and EVS light on twin flash models. A rotating light option is available on the two larger signals as well. For audible solutions, MIDI models offer 10 different tones at up to 110 decibels. Mini models offer pulse and continuous tones at 95 and 89 decibels. Every model carries an IP66 rating for high levels of protection against dust and water, easily handling the conditions typically encountered in industrial environments. For more information about the entire EvoSignal line, including voltage ratings, exact dimensions, approvals, and more, visit galco.com.